Protractor. Protractor is basically a tool. It looks like a D. It is a D-shaped instrument. It is made up of plastic and it is usually transparent plastic. An instrument for measuring angles. It has some features. You can see that this is baseline. This is baseline. This is origin. Then outer scale and inner scales. Outer scale or clockwise degree scale. This is outer scale. Then anti-clockwise degree scale or inner scale. Here it is inner scale. Outer scale starts from 0. As you can see that outer scale 0, 10, 20, 30 up to it ends over here 180. Similarly for inner scale it starts from 0, then 10, 20, 30 and ends over here 180. So basically this is a half rotation, 0 to 180. This is a half rotation. So how to use protractor? When we will use inner scale, if the angle opens to the right side, then we will use inner scale, and if angle opens to the left side, then we will use outer scale. We can also say that if angle is anti-clockwise, then we will use inner scale, and if angle is in clockwise direction, then we will use outer scale. So there are two examples which shows you their opening. This angle opens towards right side, then we will use inner scale, and this angle opens towards left side, then we will use outer scale on the protractor. Let's learn concept of angles on a straight line. First thing I will tell you that don't ever think that this straight line will be a only horizontal line. It is not necessary that a straight line is only in this shape. No, but I also have another picture for you people that will show you that this straight line can be in diagonal also. But the thing is, you must remember the point. What is that point? The point is that angles on a line add up to 180 degrees. The angles on a line up to 180 degrees. That it defines that. Suppose here it is an angle A, then there is another angle B. Total there are two angles, and according to this statement, add these angles add up to 180 degree, add up to 180 degree. So we are going to add them to get the result 180 degrees. So total angle is 180 degrees on a straight line. So remember this concept to solve your assignment questions. Next I will tell you how to solve angles on a straight line. But the thing is that you have to remember this point, that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degree. Repeat with me. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees.